Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Monet. So I did a thing. You guys, I got a camera. Like, y'all, I am really so excited and grateful that I was even able to get this camera, and I'm so happy. Like, you really don't understand. Like, you really do not understand. Like, y'all, this is the Canon G7x Mark II Creators Box. I got this from Best Buy, and let me tell you, it was a little pricey. Like, you gonna spend some money for this, baby. It's not cheap, but we are well worth it. Like, this is the time that I am investing in myself because I believe in myself and I feel like I deserve it, so I bought it. Like, you know, this was actually supposed to be an unboxing video, but I was a little thirsty and I opened it already. I didn't use the camera, but I did charge the battery because if you've seen a lot of these videos, then you already know the battery is barely charged. So I went ahead and charged it, but I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of this creator box though. So we have a tripod, which I already opened. We have an extra battery pack, which I really did not know came inside of the box because this is going to come in handy, and I'm glad that I don't have to buy another one. This is the battery charger, and I've used that already. Like I said, I charged the camera, but that's the battery charger. And we are finally here to what you guys really cared about. The camera. Like, y'all, I'm excited like you don't even know. So this is my baby. This is the Canon G7x Mark II. As you already know, it's touchscreen. You can have it out. Wait, hold on. You can pop it out like that, like this, and of course flip the camera up. I already put in the battery, which I told you because I charged it, and this also came with a 32GB SD card, which I already put inside. I actually struggle a little bit. Like, I don't know why. Like, it has this little thing right here to open and lock. Hold on, let me unlock it. Like, I don't know. Like, maybe it's just me. Like, my fingers were like literally just not doing what they were supposed to do. But I figured it out. I haven't really done much with the camera at all. I haven't, you know, fixed the settings, none of that. So everything is going to be all new to me. I'm going to now do a test video, which is basically what this video is. Basically, is I'm going to be testing the quality from my iPhone 11 Pro, which I have been using this whole time to record on my channel. And then I'm going to put that side by side with the quality of my camera. So let's turn this bad boy on. Ooh, did you see that? Like, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, hold on. How do I press record? Here we go. So, you guys, like, I don't even know what to say. This is the quality from my iPhone 11 Pro. And, you know, it was doing what it was supposed to do when, you know, I was using my phone. But now that I have a camera, like, baby, look at that. Like, it really looks so vibrant. It looks like everything is all there. What I do have to work on, though, is looking, like, directly in the lens and not up at myself, which is kind of hard to do. But I'm sure that I can get adjusted after using this for a while. But I love the quality. I can't even talk. I love the quality. There we go. Quality. Yes, I love it. So let's do a focus test. Let me sit this down. So I'm going to use this spray bottle that I have right here, and I'm going to focus. Wait. There we go. So the focus is there, the quality is there. Hold on. Well, There we go. Focus back on me. The focus is there. The quality is there. Like, everything is amazing. If you had any doubt or second guesses about getting this camera, don't. Like, baby, go get it. Spend those coins. You will not regret it. Like, this is a time to invest in yourself. Like, you guys, like, I am beyond excited. And hold on, I had to brush my hair. It wasn't looking good. I'm sorry. I am beyond excited, and I'm just motivated to create more and more now. Like, you guys, quality content is coming. It's coming. But that's it for this video, guys. This was really just a side-by-side comparison of my camera and my phone, and I'm sure you guys can see the difference. You see it. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Comment down below any thoughts, questions, concerns, and I'm sure I'll be down to answer anything that you might have to ask.